I'm craving old-fashioned broccoli salad. Gonna make it with broccoli slaw. Let's do it. So the old-fashioned broccoli salad that I'm used to has dark raisins, cheddar cheese, and bacon. Baked some of that off already. This is a 12-ounce bag of broccoli slaw. I like to give it a little smushy smush. Helps to tenderize it before we mix it all up. I love broccoli slaw. Saves on chopping. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching. Okay, the sauce is a mayonnaise-based dressing, so in about half a cup of mayo. I like 2 tablespoons of a white balsamic vinegar, a little bit of sweet, and traditionally I think it would be sugar, but I'm adding some honey. I like the honey not only for the sweetness, but honey is very acidic, so I think it adds something nice to the dressing. Some salt and some pepper. A little bit of a whisk. Yeah, it's good. Okay, and I'm gonna add our dressing to our broccoli slaw right now. It helps to start to soften up those little matchstick stems of broccoli. A little bit of a toss. Dark raisins are traditional, but I have golden raisins. I just like the color a little better. I'm putting in about half a cup. I love that sweetness. So I like the shape of our broccoli slaw, those sort of sexy long strands. And yes, broccoli can be sexy. So I think I'm gonna cut the bacon and slice the cheese in a similar matchstick kind of shape. I think it'll be elegant, a little elevated, a little bougie. Oh, and if you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. I'm using about 2 to 3 ounces of a white cheddar, and then I'm gonna slice it thinly in one direction and then matchstick it sort of in the opposite direction. If this is too tedious for you, just go ahead and shred it. I like those shapes. I think it'll match our slaw very well. Quality control. Oh, that's good. Okay, same with our bacon. That was 4 strips of bacon. Yummo. Certainly the best part. Cook's treat. What? Okay, let's give everything a gentle toss. Don't want to break up the bacon or the cheese too much more. I like those shapes that we created. Our broccoli slaw has actually gotten kind of soft as we've prepped the other ingredients. Okay, let's get it out of our mixing bowl and into something that looks a little nicer for serving. Oh, I love how that looks. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. Broccoli slaw becomes an easy and elevated old-fashioned broccoli salad. Try it out. It's just like I remember. This salad has everything, all of that salty bacon and the cheese, and then those sweet hits from the sauce and the raisins. The flavors are all there. The texture is a little bit different because everything's in that matchstick shape, but I like it. It's really pleasant. It looks good. So buy some broccoli slaw and make some old-fashioned broccoli salad. Delicious. Before I put bacon and our cheese in a similar thumbs up. I have bacon in my teeth. This is a real satisfying crunch.